Well, hello. I've been driving all day trying to find a spot. I think I found one. I wanted to make surf and turf on the Colorado River. I'm basically on an inlet, an inlet from the river, so I'm technically not on the river. But I couldn't find a free spot to camp, and I wasn't gonna pay to be in with all those RVs and those people. But we're gonna make surf and turf. I got some lobster tail and a steak and some mushrooms, and I've got some salad that I gotta eat, so I think this will be a fun video. Let's get started. Alright, scenery is still beautiful. I've got my stuff out. I've got my kitchen box, my oven, because I bought these stuffed mushrooms, and my stove, and my cooler, and my chair. I'm using this rack as a table. It might permanently be a table now, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so we're gonna set up the oven. This is the Coleman camp oven. It's great. This is awesome. Cheers. I'm having a good time. I needed kind of a day to myself. Actually, I've been by myself for a couple days. Yeah, it's just nice to get off the grid and be alone. The highway's on the other side of that, though. But you know what? Can't have it all. So I'm just going to enjoy myself. It's been a long time since I've gotten the stove out. Probably a couple weeks. So I'm gonna cook all this stuff up, even the mushrooms and everything, and then I'm gonna keep one of my pots out for my tiny stove, and then I can just have leftovers the next couple days, because I'm not gonna eat all this food. I'm not gonna eat all of it, but actually I might. I've gotten my appetite back. It's kind of scary. Let's check on the jalapeno poppers. I bought shrimp stuffed jalapeno poppers. I can hear the jalapeno poppers. Knock knock. Let's check them. Alright, here we go. Alright, we've got butter in the pan. We've got a pre-seasoned steak. That's garlic butter. A couple more mushrooms, and there's a lobster tail in this. And a view with the highway back there. Hoping I don't get kicked out of this place, but it's really awesome. It's like a little secret nook. Alright, here's an update. I moved the jalapeno poppers to this butter and the steak. It's gonna be so good. And the mushrooms are done, so I turned off the flame. I need some pot holders. still got this beautiful sunset. I drove around for hours to find a good spot. Everything I tried to find had a gate, or it was res land for the Native Americans, and they don't want us on there because there's COVID or something. But found this spot. Hopefully I don't get kicked out. It's pretty awesome. Minus all the garbage that people throw. Imagine being such a piece of junk human that when you're just done with your trash, you just throw it on the ground, which it's amazes me. When you go to the store, you get a bag usually. Well, we are in California, but you know, most people do have like some sort of bag in their car, and if you don't, like, why can't you just put it in your car and then when you go to the trash can at the gas station, put it in the trash? I don't get it. I never will understand that. But tomorrow we've got some picking up to do. I'm gonna try to fill up. I only have small garbage bags, but at least fill up one or two. It's almost time to eat. I'm hungry, but this sunset is just beautiful. All the work it took to get here, worth it. Totally worth it. Even with the highway on the other side, I don't care. Hopefully I am allowed to be here. Otherwise, I don't know what to say. But at least my dinner's almost done. And I'll eat and then just chill for the night, I guess. Well, I devoured the lobster. I didn't even share with you guys. I ate that so fast, but I've still got steak and jalapeno poppers. What about one of these jalapeno poppers? There's shrimp in there. I've been craving seafood. Thanks for watching my videos. I'd probably never cook if it wasn't for videos. Alright. Let's go back to work. Alright, so I apologize. I'm learning how to film myself eating. I think I'm getting better. But I just ate the half of the steak that I'm going to eat tonight. Alright, so I got food in my teeth, so... Anyways, I ate half the steak that I was going to eat tonight. I'm going to save the rest for tomorrow. Probably eat another mushroom. I ate the jalapeno poppers. And then I'm going to go to bed. Because it's getting cold. Yeah, buddy. This is awesome. Good morning. It's a new day and I've got leftover steak. Oh, alright. I'm gonna go and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna enjoy myself here. Probably stay at this spot for today. I don't know. Some things got ruined in my cooler. Some of my plastic bags had soap on the outside because soap things spilled, but I didn't think about it. And so now everything in my cooler is soapy. And some things got ruined, so I got some work to do. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!